I really love the fact that when people visit Ghana, themselves go out there to advertise Ghana. Just like myself, I am a Nigerian and I'm living in Ghana, and I am advertising Ghana to the good people. I'm not inviting any bad person to Ghana, but good fellow like myself. I'm inviting them to Ghana to come and see how beautiful Ghana is, how amazing Ghana is, how welcoming Ghanaians are. If you want to know more about African culture, Ghana as the gateway to Africa should be your starting point before, experiencing other African countries. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Do you want me to repeat myself again? All right, let me tell you again. If you want to experience culture, tradition, African culture and tradition, Ghana should be the first place you should experience before going to other African countries. I have my reason why of saying that. Of course, as the gateway to Africa, they are delivering well. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. I'm here with another video of African Americans. You know that Ghana is their home. Second home, right? Yes, most of them prefer Ghana to other African country, and that's because of the peaceful nature of Ghana and the way they are being welcomed in Ghana. When a country is peaceful, it naturally attracts people into that country. The country don't even have to waste their time advertising, saying, come to Ghana, do this, do that. No. People already know, even without you opening your mouth to say it. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video and see the amazing experience they've had from the very first day they landed in Ghana till the last day of their stay in Ghana. I hope you all are excited. Let's jump right into it. And please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Hey, Akwaba. Hello. Hey, thank you. Okay. You are back home. You are back home. Thank you. Akwaba. 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 Yes. Welcome. Alright, cool. Alright, so we'll go. Yeah. Time to say goodbye. Bye. Time to say goodbye. Bye, Ghana. Bye bye. Bye. Bye, Ghana. See you again. I'll be back. Yo, you meet again. Sure. That's fine. I'm going to miss her. Ben. Definitely. Ben, do this for I'll catch your head. This way, Naomi. We'll meet again. Kali, Kali. Yes. Come. Yes, stand. Let's go. Carry like a look. Yes.
Asked me to do that with some. It looks like it's coming off.
Drop it. Yeah. Ada. Ayede.
That's in your heart.
You need to put strength.
Yes.
Grind like a local. Grind like a local.
Only local.
No, not hot.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't play with mama. Play with.
Supposed to take it. Just
Yes.
swallow.
Yes. Yeah, you swallow. Smile. Yeah. Yes. Swallow.
Very tasty.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go try to make my own ingredients.
Make it.
I'm gonna go make this. Even made in Ghana. Oh, girl, we found it. When I tell you it's so delicious. I got another one over here. Hi, my name is Kalisha. I'm from the U.S. Virgin Islands. Culture Ghana has been a very exciting experience. I have experienced so many things, seen different things, shopped a lot. Yeah, great experience.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Smith. I'm from St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands, and it's such a wonderful pleasure to be here in Ghana, experiencing the culture. We went to the market today. We saw how they have all the fruits and all the produce, and then we came to the what do you call this place where they did the batik. We did the cooking. We experienced cooking Ghanaian food, and it was wonderful. I also recommend Culture Ghana for your tours. So whenever you come to Ghana, get in touch with Culture Tours. Benjamin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Asata. I wanted to take a cooking class. This is not my first time coming to Ghana, but I wanted to experience, learning how to cook Ghanaian dishes for my hubby. And this has been a wonderful experience from the time we were picked up, going through the markets, selling like locals, learning how to cook. So when I can take these practices home and teach my colleagues how to make palava sauce for boiled yams and plantains. So this was a wonderful experience. I want to thank Culture Ghana for the nice robes, for the nice aprons, and for the experience. So I will be coming back because I want to learn how to make okra stew. So thank you so much for the experience. I met some wonderful people, and like I said, I will be back.
For the culture.
For the culture.
I love it in Ghana.
Yeah.
Handiwork is beautiful. I love it in Ghana. What a good experience.
Brother here, Kumasi.
Yeah, it was good. It's beautiful. It was nice being at a big airport. Everybody looked like me, nice,
Yeah. So what are you looking to?
I don't know. I'm just trying to learn everything new, enjoy myself, see how Africa is. Enjoy not what they say, but what you see, what it is.
So I say Akwaba.
Akwaba.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Okay.
Kebra.
Kebra.
Yes.
My sister here.
Yes.
Back to the motherland.
Yes.
How is the feeling?
Amazing. I'm home. Akwabe.
Akwaba.
Akwaba.
Akwaba. And
Akwaba.
what are you looking for?
Ooh, to see my people, to feel the love, to see where I'm from, to eat good food, to learn about the culture.
So I will say to you, Akwaba.
Akwaba.
I wear Ghana. I drink Ghana. I eat Ghana. And of course I'm from Ghana. Please you can shake some.
Amatiwa.
Your friend will say,
Amatiwa.
Kofi, sorry.
Kutuwa ade.
Don't forget, you are always welcome home.
So the mom, she was born on Saturday.
On this happy trip back to the promised land, all will be happy again. Come with me on this happy trip back to the promised land.
Come back. Your friend will say,
Kofi Asari.
Ama Adoma. No, Jesse.
Ama Puma. Afia Anita.
that's me drinking us tea.
I really love the fact that when people visit Ghana, themselves go out there to advertise Ghana, just like myself. I am a Nigerian and I'm living in Ghana, and I am advertising Ghana to the good people. I'm not inviting any bad person to Ghana, but good fellow like myself. I'm inviting them to Ghana to come and see how beautiful Ghana is, how amazing Ghana is, how welcoming Ghanaians are. If you want to know more about African culture, Ghana as the gateway to Africa should be your starting point before, experiencing other African countries. So guys, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I will not forget my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always supporting. I really appreciate you all. It's because of you that I am here. I appreciate it. And if this is your first time on this channel, you've watched this video from beginning to this time, you've not subscribed, then why now? Departure, why now? Subscribe already, and also do a press notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you always. Bye-bye.